Haka jingyalang ki menteri ka sarkar MDA2 kabala penlong haka kendai terik unailar ar phausaw kila shem ya karai ban ai ka jing menjur ban pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Regulation for the Secondary School Leaving Certificate lani ka SSLC examination ar khatway ka ban sedang Naduh ka academic session jongsnam ar phausan haba pentip ya ka ni menteri badai khmi ya ka tanat puli ka sarkar jilla urakam sangma uloong bagi Khynnah ki bayale examen SSLC Naduh usnam ar phausan kinyo banyakun artli ki exam haka shisnam kata ha upanai rempang bat ka weipat naga benta ki Khynnah ki baklamla ban pas kanlong ha upanai jemang nalor kata uloong ru banadu usnam ar penreu hadu ar penyo ki Khynnah ki bayale ki examen SSLC kin hab ban pas ha Baroh an riu tili ki subject bat kan don show ka best of 5 hagani ka sngi ka kunhun kala shimru ya ka rai ban ai jing menjur ban pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill ar phausaw ka Meghalaya Benami Transaction Provision Rules ar phausaw ka Meghalaya Subordinate Water Resource Engineering Service Rules ar phauar but ka Meghalaya Public Schools Service Rules ar phausaw.
The amendments of impose regulation for the secondary school leaving certificate examination 2011 has been approved. Yeah. From next academic year 2025 onwards, Meghalaya Board of School will be having 2 board examination in a year. So the main exam, the first exam, board exam, will be held in the month of February or early of the March, and second exam for those who fail all the subject, those who fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subject, they will be allowed to reappear within a 2 months time, so within a May. From on 2025, the first Meghalaya Board of School examination for class 10 will be held in the month of the early of the February 2025, and the result will be declared early as possible. The second re-examination, for we can call it supplementary, for all those fail students and for all those fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subjects, we can reappear within the month of first week of May. But in order to save the time for the admission in the years to come, maybe in 2025-26 academic year, the first board exam will happen in the month of December itself. December, maybe the 3rd week or 4th week of December 2026. 2025. The second board exam will be maybe in the February or March 2026. But for this academic year 2025, within the February and the May, we'll be having the 2 board examination, so that this all has been done to support the students, because now the supplementary examination used to help after the 1 year gap time, but now the supplementary examination will be held within the same academic year to save the 1 year loss to the students of class 10. And also from 26-27 academic year, the optional paper will not be anymore for Meghalaya Board of School examination. The best of 5 will not be there, but since 2026 and 27 academic year, all the students must and will have to pass in all the 6 subjects from 27 board examination. Cabinet has approved the 4-5 items this morning. So the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024, where the chairman's age has been increased from 65 to 70 years. The second, the Meghalaya Benami Transaction Prohibition Rules 2024 has been approved by the Cabinet. where the rules have been approved, and every complaints will be received by the DC. That's all. And number 3, the cabinet has approved also the Meghalaya subordinate water resources engineering service rule 2024. And number 4, the Meghalaya public school service rule 2024 has been approved by the cabinet. So where all the 3 public schools is included, the Shillong, Tura, and the Naduh. And this is only the things is like in the farmer, as I have said, the Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024, where only the age of chairman from 65 to 70 has been approved. That's all. And in the Benami Act, there may be any complaint for any issues that they can at the DC of the concerned district will be the authority to receive. And but mostly number 5 and 6, like there was no service rule for the teachers and the principals working in Meghalaya public schools and the different public schools of the state. Now we have approved. Yeah, and number last is very important. The
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.